2021-22 ఆర్థిక సంవత్సర బడ్జెట్ ను ఆమోదించింది ఏపీ అసెంబ్లీ. ఆర్థిక మంత్రి బుగ్గన రాజేంద్రనాథ్ రెడ్డి ప్రవేశపెట్టిన ద్రవ్య వినిమయ బిల్లుకు ఆమోదం తెలిపింది. మరోవైపు విశాఖ స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్ ప్రైవేటీకరణకు వ్యతిరేకంగా సభలో తీర్మానాన్ని ప్రవేశపెట్టారు. ప్లాంట్ ను ప్రైవేటీకరించకుండా ఉండడానికి కేంద్రానికి ప్రత్యామ్నాయ మార్గాలను కూడా సూచించారు మేకపాటి గౌతమ్ రెడ్డి.
A request was made to the Prime Minister for personal audience by the Chief Minister to explain all these facts in person. Also, it is requested to give an opportunity to lead an all-party delegation along with the trade union leaders under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister. Now, therefore, a resolution is moved today in the House against the proposal of Government of India, that is 100% disinvestment of RNL through privatization to protect the interests of the people of Andhra Pradesh. So, before I conclude, I would also like to say that the RNL plant has gone a long way in supporting the state's supply of the LMO during the dire state needs in the COVID times. That was one of the notable aspects that we have noticed in this plant. So the resolution that I would like to make before this House, sir. So therefore the House unanimously resolves to oppose the decision of the Government of India on a 100% strategic disinvestment of Government of India's shareholding in the Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, Visakhapatnam, along with the management control by way of privatization, and also resolved to request the Government of India to consider the measures suggested by the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh in his letter dated 6th February 2021 and 9th March 2021 to make the RNL profitable and remain the pride of Telugu people and the state of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.